You look like you have seen a ghost. I'm glad you are early. I need help cleaning the china. Follow me, I'll show you what china looks like.
I have china. Stop the low-key hate. We need the kitchen to prepare for Christmas dinner.
I'm preparing the Christmas dinner this year.
You can't cook. The last dinner you cooked, Aunt Rosetta, dentures cracked.
Hey cousin, I'm here to make the dressing, stuffing, or whatever it's referred to in this part of the country. Dressing.
I don't need any help preparing the stuffing. What you can do is offer $200 in cash towards the dinner. I don't use food stamps. I want cash, preferably $50 bills.